Let's see, what is this? Oh. Like a receipt. Then, let's see how it goes. So, yeah, this is really legit. Hold on. Hi. Thank you for using or choosing Veger. So we have a new power bank. Power bank is really that essential nowadays. So we need to have this. So I ordered this one in their official store in LAZADA. So this is really legit. So we ordered the Veger power bank. Yeah, type C micro USB input 100. So 20 watts, and then Qualcomm 3.0 quick charge. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, it's quite big. I mean, it's big actually. Oh, yes, look at that. So nice. Well, the finish looks really that matte, I think. So less fingerprints that you could have. And there you go. And yeah, I think this is the indicator. Let's turn it on. Oh, 100%. So here's the output. We have, we have their output. So yeah, we have 3 ports here. Doesn't show anything. So this part is the type C in and micro in 3000 mAh. And yeah, that's it. So we could try this one later, because going back in Bohol, we don't have electricity there. So this is very essential whenever I go home. So I'll be going home this next week. So I'll be using one right there. I actually have one power bank, but it's not that working pretty well. I mean, it's 10,000 mAh, so I just need to replace this one with. It's really nice, but it's bigger than expected, but it's okay. It could really good help. So I'll be giving like a full review of this one once I'm starting using it. Okay. Yeah. So I'm happy. Thank you, Veger. This is the only one that we ordered. There. I like it. And by the way, it's actually very, should I say, bugat siya. So it's 617 grams. But yeah, I like it. Ooh, how you like that? I'm happy now. Thank you.